Hey there, Dashers. Guys, if you are wondering how to transfer your earnings from your direct, Dasher direct account to Apple Pay, guys, I've got a simple guide to help you get it done in just a few steps, all right? So, first things first, what you want to do is basically link your Dasher direct card to Apple Wallet. So, what you want to do is you want to start by opening the Apple Wallet app on your phone, right? Tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen, and then you want to follow the prompts to actually add your Dasher Direct card. Right, you'll need the card number, expiration date, and CVV, which you can find in the Dasher Direct app under the Manage Card section. Right. Then step number two, guys, is actually to just to verify your card. So Apple will send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. You want to enter this code in the Wallet app to complete the linking process. Then after you do this, guys, you want to actually just transfer the funds to Apple Cash. So unfortunately, guys, look, Dasher Direct funds can't go directly to Apple Pay, but here's a workaround. What you want to do is just use your Dasher Direct card to make a transfer to your Apple Cash balance within the Apple Wallet app. And then you just want to just select your Dasher Direct card as the funding source, okay? And then you can just use Apple Pay. So once the money is in your Apple Cash, all right? Once it's in your Apple Cash, you can use it for payments directly via Apple Pay wherever it's accepted, guys. And that's it, guys. With your Dasher Direct earnings linked to Apple Wallet, you can access them easily and spend them conveniently, guys. So, if this helped, guys, hit like, subscribe, and check out our other delivery app tips. See you next time, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you in the next one.